Hi dear dancers, in this video I will cover what does it mean to be a dance teacher, what tools you can use and the aim of the different methods and system. To be a good dance teacher you need to make your classes interesting and productive, on the other hand not too hard and not too easy, that will fix to every student, although different students are having different goals and different characters, and most of the time even a different level. Nowadays dance teachers find the tools which can make your life much more easier. First of all, for the further understanding we need to make a clear definition that word method is used to describe how you personally teach. On the other hand, the word system is used to describe what you teach. Teaching tools are tools which enhance your method, in the simple words, the way how you teach. If it's clear, so let's go on. I prepared 4 tools that can improve your teaching methods or your class's quality and to bring you more fun. Most important is of course to have concept, or at least some idea, on what you want to work with your student and what you want to reach with them. For example, jumps or any specific jump. So from the beginning on, you make a preparation in your class that your students will have exercises or at least some development or coordination or muscle development which will lead to that specific jump. So at the end of the class they have much more possibility to reach it much faster. Dance teacher is a leader or energy of the training, and it makes super boring when the teacher speaks monotonic or too less. To change it, try to play with your intonation and add more sounds. For example, on 5 you have to jump, instead of on 5 you have to jump. Another example with the counts: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Instead of 1, 2 and 4, 5 and 8. This tool functions only in the moment when your students know the combination or choreography. You can change the music or simply to slow it down or speed it up with different programs or different apps. Because if you slow down, it requires a lot of control, and in case if you speed it up, it requires a lot of concentration and coordination. So it makes your student to work differently on the same combination or on the same choreography. Just give an opportunity to your students to be a dance teacher. Let to your students shortly to lead the class or to make some combination or correction to other students. That will help to develop another perspective on the dance field and help to develop analytical perspective and sometimes even to change a point of view. So what about teaching system? Here is a good news. For all dance styles already exist in so many books of how, when and why you should teach. From one side it can make your life much more easier because you can get a proved system that works. Everything what you should do is just simply copy paste. But don't forget, the system was made in specific conditions: group, age, country, culture and so on. What brings us to the point that maybe the system doesn't fix to your specific class or students. As I said above, by copying any system your life can be much more easier, but on the other hand it can completely disconnect you from your students. We can see it in the big ballet schools, when teachers just repeat books with the different systems, and if students don't fix, they just throw them away. Of course, by searching your individual system or adjust any system to your own, it will cost you a lot of time and power. However, it will be your success. So my dear dance teachers, try different tools to improve your own methods, try different systems to find out what works, what doesn't, and of course don't forget to support my channel via Patreon. Bye.